Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, Miss John, Mr. John, and good afternoon, everybody. I am Anifa. We will explain 7 unit with my friend is Miss Ella. This
Halo.
is we will explain about regular expression and past future tense. Next, there is the conversation, both regular visit and examination. I am Doctor Miss Ella, Miss Ella, and I am Mother Sheila. Okay. Good morning, Miss Ella. Today, you will be assistant to examination patient in room 102.
Yes, doctor. Nurse Rose just told me a few minutes ago. She told me that today we are going to examine Sarah White, a patient in room 102 who suffer typhus.
Yes, that's all right. Have you filled all of the need medical equipment?
Yes, doctor. I have prepared them.
Okay, good. Let's just go to room 102.
Okay, doc.
The doctor and Miss Ella's walk to room 102. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you feel better? Is there any progress with your condition?
Yes, doc. I am feeling better. I just feel a bit weary. Is that normal, doc?
Yes, that's normal. That is not a big problem. Do you feel nauseous?
Yes, doc. I feel a bit nauseous, but it's not but it's not as bad as the first time I came here.
Okay. How about your stomach? Does it still hurt?
Um, not really, doc.
How strong is the pain? Let's say in 1 to 10 scale. How do you describe the intensity of the pain?
Between 1 and 2, doc.
Is the pain continuous or does it come and go?
It comes and goes.
All right. Nurse Ella, please check her temperature and blood pressure.
Okay, doc.
Nurse Ella, check her temperature and blood pressure. Next. I check your blood pressure is 36 Celsius, and I can diagnose that your condition is better. Your blood pressure is normal and your body temperature is also normal.
Does it mean I can go home today, doc?
I do think so. I do not think so. You still need intensive treatment. Let's see if there is any progress tomorrow. You may go home.
All right. Okay, doc.
Yes, please. Okay, doc. Thank you.
By the way, how about the service her mom? Is there any complaint about that?
I'm very satisfied about the service here. The doctor and nurse are very friendly and kind. The faculty is also good.
All right. Thank you. If you need help, don't hesitate to make the nurse call. I will be ready to help and assist you.
Thank you very much, nurse. Okay, then I need to visit other patient. Hopefully, you can recover soon. Good morning.
Amin. Thank you very much, Doc. Good morning.
This is Pegofrelli is medical equipment. Di sini ada beberapa alat-alat kesehatan ya, medical profesional, turn about medical equipment, like ECG, vaksin fresh, APBPN, expansion lamp atau lamp ya, blood pressure monitor, tensi ya, ear irrigation system, spirometer and nebulizer, ear thermometer, nah, crypto recorder, sugar records, tempat tidur ya, Doppler, vacuum autoclave, pulse oximeter, untuk oksigen ya, cell atau health measure, ophthalmoscope atau optopepset.
Next, medical supplies, term antiseptic, a cloth covering that is placed after a wound, to prevent bleeding, swelling, in infection. Bandage, a cloth covering that is placed to use it to cut bandage. Bandage scissors, a tool that measures the force of blood flow through a person or body. Blood pressure monitor, protective covering that is placed after a wound. Dressing, a thin roll of stretchy material that is stuck on the seal. Elastic tape, a poster of letter, word, and number combination used to test a person's eyesight. iCard, instrument used during operation and medical process, the doctor in pulling, holding, and retracting. Forceps, din material used for dressing wounds. Antiseptic, hypodermic needle, sharp-pointed metal piece that prick and the skin, attached to a syringe used for taking blood or administering medicine. IV bag, the pouch that contains liquid to be pumped into a patient's body. Medicine cup, small plastic measuring cup. Microscope, equipment that makes small things appear larger than they are. Otoscope, a device used for looking into a patient's ears. Oxygen mask, equipment that spits upper the nose and mouth and supply oxygen. Privacy screen, an object that is used to separate the doctor and patient from others in an open room. Scale, a device that measures a person's weight. Stethoscope, equipment for listening to a person's heart and lung. Syringe, a cylinder space that attaches to a needle and can be filled with liquid. Table and headrest paper that is placed on an examining table or headrest to prevent the spread. Yes. Three of them test tube, test tube, glass cylinder that is filled with blood or other liquid and can be covered and placed in a strong area. Thermometer, an instrument used to check a person's body temperature. Vial, a small bottle or container used for storing liquid.
Language focus. There is nominal vs verbal sentence. In terms of the predicate, English can be divided into two groups, verbal sentence and nominal sentence. Verbal sentence is where the predicate is paired. Example, she like playing chess. He always study hard every day. I drank a cup of tea this morning. Next. Di sini ada beberapa kalimat ya. Untuk positive verbal sentence itu this sentence is also called affirmative sentence. Example, we go to school by motorcycle every day. I went to school by bus yesterday. I have 3 cute kittens. And negative verbal sentence itu this sentence is indicated by the use of do, does, did plus not before the verb. Example, I don't like going to school by bus. I didn't go anywhere last weekday. She doesn't like coffee. And introduce verbal sentence sentence is also called question sentence in indicate by the use of do, does, did at the beginning of sentence and is indicated by the use of question marks at the end sentence. Example like, do you like cooking? Does she go to school by bus every day? Did you go somewhere this weekend?
Nominal sentence. Tadi verbal sentence, ini nominal sentence. Nominal sentence is a sentence that the predicate is not a verb. Kalau nominal sentence itu predikatnya bukan verb ya, tapi langsung to be. He, she, it, itunya is, was untuk past tense-nya. I, am, they, we, are, itu are, were untuk past tense-nya. Positive nominal sentence. The scenery is beautiful. Untuk negatifnya, he is not a junior high school student. Untuk interrogatifnya, is she a smart student? Terus untuk positif nominalnya, I am a nurse in a big hospital. Untuk negatifnya, I am not sure they will come her student. Interrogatifnya, are you a nurse in that hospital? Positive nominal sentence, he was so sad after hearing that news. Negatif nominalnya, he was not a smart student when he was in elementary school. Interrogatifnya, are you sure about what you are talking about? Ini exercise ya. Kita lanjut ke next reading. Reading tentang cancer. Read the article below and answer the question. Cancer is class of disease characteristic by out of control cell growth. There are over 1,000 different types of cancer. NH is classified by the type. Kedengeran nggak? Kedengeran type?
Kedengaran.
Kedengeran. By the type of cell that is initially affected. Cancer harm the body when damaged cells divide uncontrollably to form lumps or masses of tissue cell tumor, except in the case of leukemia, where cancer prohibits normal blood function by abnormal cell division in the bloodstream. Tumor can grow bloodstream. Tumor can grow and interfere with the digestive, nervous, and circulatory system, and they can release hormones that alter body function. Tumors that stay in one spot and demonstrate limited growth are generally considered to be benign. Cancer symptoms are quite varied and depend on where the cancer is located, where it has spread, and how big the tumor is. Some cancer can be felt or seen through the skin. A lump on the breast or testicle can be an indicator of cancer in those locations. Skin cancer, melanoma, is often noted by a change in a white or mole on the skin. Some oral lanjut Teh atau gimana? Some oral cancer present with silakan.
Some oral cancer present with parasites inside the mouth or white spot on the tongues. Other cancer have symptoms that are less typical apparent. Some brain tumor tend to present symptoms early in this disease as they affect importance cognitive function. Pancreas cancer is usually too small to cause symptoms until they cause pain by fighting against nerves or interfere with liver function to cause a yellowing of the skin, and I call it jaundice. Symptoms also can be treated as a tumor grow and fusses against organ and blood vessels. Early detection of cancer can greatly improve the odds of successful treatment and survival. Physical use information from symptoms and several other procedures to diagnose cancer, image technique as X-ray, CT scan, MRI scan, PET scan, and ultrasound scan are used regularly in order to detect where a tumor is located and what organ may be affected by it. Doctor may also conduct an endoscopy, which is the procedure that uses a thin tube with a camera and light at one end to look for abnormality inside the body.
Vocabulary. Number 1, lumps itu gumpalan atau bengkak pada leher. Tisu itu jaringan. Digestif, pencernaan yang berkaitan dengan pencernaan. Nervous itu gelisah atau gugup. Number 5, circulatory symptom itu sistem peredaran darah. Number 6, benign itu lunak atau tidak berbahaya. Pestil itu buah kelir ya, maaf. Atau biji kemaluan. Number 8, wart itu kutil. 9 itu mole itu tahi lalat. Number 10, patch itu potongan kecil di bagian mata. Next.
Okay. This is ada beberapa health, illness, and disease vocabulary. Like pains, feel the body when you have hurt or when you are sick. Example, she feel a strong pain in her neck and shoulder. And two, X, X itu continuous pain, feel a continuous pain. Example, my mother cannot sleep because her head aches so bad. Three, ills that suffering from an illness nor disease, not feeling well, sick. Example, my older sister is ill in Bunda Hospital. Number 4, sick. Sick this is physical or mentally ill, tending to vomit. Example, I feel very sick. I don't think I can go to campus today. Next, this sore. Sore itu painful and often bad because of infection or because a muscle has been used too much. Example, I will eat forget saying I have a sore throat. And illness, the state of being physically or mentally ill. Example, my lecture missed a lot of classes through illness last month. And then disease. Disease, serious illness, often caused by infection. Example, the spread of disease should be stopped soon. And the X, heal is become healthy again. Make somebody healthy again. Make somebody feel happy again. Example, it will take a long time to heal the scratches. And next. Lanjut ya.
Ada beberapa ya.
Di sini ada beberapa lagi. Ya cukup banyak ya. Teman-teman bisa baca, nanti saya share poin-poinnya, like cure, treatment, treat, diagnosis, injury and injure, wounds, bruise, stress, infection, inflammasi, symptom, temperature, fever. Next. Oke.
Hampir ada 38 ya.
Iya, hampir 38, bisa dilihat ya. Next aja.
Ya. Next, lanjut ke past future tense. Past future tense, it is used to express the idea that in the past an action or event predicted, planned, promised, expected, or obliged to be done in the future of past does not matter mother if the idea is correct or not. Jadi ini past future tense itu digunakan ya untuk menyatakan gagasan bahwa di masa lalu itu ada suatu tindakan di masa lalu suatu tindakan atau peristiwa telah diprediksi, direncanakan atau dijadikan yang wajib dilakukan di masa lalu, tapi tidak peduli gagasan itu benar atau tidaknya. Next, ada juga time signal ya, cara untuk mengetahui kalimat yang sedang dibicarakan menggunakan tense apa. Biasanya sih time signal ini menggunakan ya, dapat dikenali dengan melihat konteks serta keterangan waktu yang digunakan. Biasanya past future tense menggunakan keterangan waktu sebagai berikut, kayak yesterday, last week, last month, last year, the next day, the day before, the week before, the month before. Ada juga fungsi past future tense ya. Fungsinya itu yang pertama untuk menyatakan rencana di masa lampau namun faktanya tidak pernah terjadi atau gagal. Contohnya example. We should go to Jakarta last month. Kita seharusnya pergi ke Jakarta bulan lalu, namun kenyataannya tidak jadi atau gagal pergi ke Jakarta. Itu example-nya, contohnya. Nomor 2, fungsinya itu untuk menyatakan kejadian yang tidak terjadi di masa lampau karena syaratnya tidak terpenuhi. Exam, if Danu studied hard, he would pass the exam. Seandainya Danu belajar dengan giat, maka dia akan lolos tes. Namun kenyataannya Danu itu tidak lolos tes karena ada syaratnya tidak terpenuhi, yaitu tidak belajar dengan giat. Fungsi yang ketiga yaitu permintaan secara sopan. Would, ya. Would you read the book for me, please? Bisakah kamu membacakan buku ini untukku? Itu permintaan sopan ya. Terus fungsi yang keempat itu tindakan yang menjadi keharusan. Should. We should study hard to pass the exam. Itu contohnya. Kita seharusnya belajar lebih giat untuk lolos tes. Next. Untuk rumusnya silahkan Miss Hanifah. Miss.
Yang sebelumnya lah. Rumusnya past future tense memiliki dua bentuk berbeda ya. Pertama, modalnya itu past future, bentuk modalnya menggunakan shall or will, sehingga penggunaan pada past future tense menjadi shall atau will. Keduanya merupakan bentuk lambang yang dibantu dengan be, yaitu am, is, are, menjadi was, were, and ditambah going to. Contoh example nih, would not dapat disingkat menjadi would not, atau should not dapat disingkat dengan should not. Nah, beberapa subjek and auxiliary verb itu shall atau was or were going to. Was untuk I, see, he, it. Where untuk they, we, you. Be infinitive menggunakan verb pertama tanpa penambahan s atau is. Oke. Jenis-jenis kalimatnya untuk rumus past future tense itu positifnya subject plus shall or will plus bear in infinitive. Example ya, Mr. President will speak to the people. Okay. Or subject plus was or were plus going to bar. I'm sorry. To infinite Example, he was going to read a new books. For negatifnya itu contoh itunya rumusnya subject plus shall or would plus not plus bear infinitive atau subject plus was or were plus not plus going to plus bear infinitive. Example-nya ya, Mr. President will not speak to the people, or she was not going to read a new books. Untuk kalimat interrogatifnya, shall or was plus subject plus bear infinitive, or was or were plus subject plus going to plus bear infinitive. Contohnya, would Mr. President speak to the people, or was she going to read a new books? Next. Oke, Mrs. Ella.
Oh ya, ini untuk contoh kalimatnya hampir sama kayak yang tadi ya, yang TIP jelasin yang rumus itu. Contoh kalimatnya untuk positifnya, he should be in Banten next month. Untuk negatifnya, he should not be in Banten next month. Interrogatifnya, should he be in Banten next month? Nah, ada lagi contohnya untuk positifnya, I would be pick up when you arrive at the station tomorrow. Untuk negatifnya, I would not be pick up when you arrive at the station tomorrow. Untuk interrogatifnya, would you be pick up when I arrive at the station tomorrow?